What's up everyone, it's Jason here in Indonesia, just off of Lombok in the Gili Islands. This is Gili Trawangan, or sometimes called Gili T for short. It's the largest of Lombok's 3 Gili Islands. The other 2 are Gili Air and Gili Meno. Those 2 are pretty quiet, while Gili T is where the action and the party's at.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep
Small size. Small size.
Pisang goreng. Berapa? 2 for 5,000 rupiah.
Yes.
It's sweet, right? Sweet,
And then
right?
this
10,000 for 1 box? Cool, cool. Okay, let's try one. Lucy, let's try some fried bananas.
Yes.
Really? Which one's good? Which one's sweet? This here? Here? This one? This one? Okay. I'm gonna try it.
Only one.
That's 2 for 5,000.
You take 2. 2 for 5,000. Okay? This is 6,000. Make 1,000.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. It's not bad. It would be good if it was fried fresh though. It was fried like maybe, I don't know, it tastes like it was fried a few hours ago. But still it's good. Really good bananas. But the it's not crispy
Okay,
anymore.
I give you 3 for 6.
Oh, because it's not crispy. It's good though, but not crispy. Okay, thank you. Terima kasih. You make smoothies, right? Okay, we're gonna have one dragon fruit smoothie, please. Not so sweet, okay? Hello.
Hello.
Bar.
Baik-baik.
Okay, so I gotta walk through the puddle again. This is just how it is. I'm walking through the puddle, walking through the puddles. This is how it is here in Gili.
Welcome to Gili Breeze. Hey, how are you? Yes.
It's good to be back.
Okay.
Oh, we got to hang out here in the front.
Yes.
Oh, we got free coffee, free tea, orange juice,
Anytime.
lemon water, lime water. Cool, thank you.
Yes, you are welcome.
What's your name?
My name is Jan.
Thank you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Hello. Okay, we're back here at the, it's called Gili Breeze Bungalows. And then we got a pool. So this pool feels so good after the hot day trip. So I'm getting in. Alright, check out the sunsets here in Gili. It just looks like the sky's burning up over that mountain back there. In the backside is Lombok, which has huge, beautiful mountainous terrains. I know because I drove through it. That's where I got durians and I got local homebrew wine on the way here to Gili. Nighttime starts.
Sunset in Gili.
Oh, chocolate smoothie.
Yeah, chocolate smoothie.
All right, cool. We're gonna try Casa Vintage's chocolate smoothie with Nutella, cocoa, and bananas. Okay, try it.
Wow, interesting. I can taste banana now.
Okay.
Very good.
All right, so here we are in Casa Vintage in Gili, in Indonesia, and we're having tapas. Alright, so we got some rose wine from Bali. We got some olives. We got roasted veggies. And we got falafel. So this is tapas here. Right on the rooftop. I'm loving this. Okay, so I'm gonna make some tapas. Well, make a falafel. That's actually tapas. So this is fried chickpeas. Everything's vegetarian. Here's some pickles. We're gonna put some veggie in it. Some tomatoes, some cucumbers. That looks awesome. And then the sauce. It's all about the sauce. It's always about the sauce. I guess I'll try it. And the pita's hot. Nice, I like it. It's so fresh. Well, I actually really do like it. The pickled veggies taste good with it. The sauce is nice. And the falafel. Totally good. So the price for tapas here is 3 plates for 100,000 rupiah. And wine, 50,000 rupiah. So together that's 150,000. That's just over 10 US dollars. Alright, so it's nighttime here in Gili Trawangan, and I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but man, I just found Regina Pizzeria. Regina Pizzeria, and I just ordered a pizza. I couldn't resist. I saw them making the pizza. The kitchen is open air. You can see everything. How can you say no to that? So I ordered one pizza.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, ma ci sei tuo d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, ma ci sei tuo d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante. Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, ma ci sei tuo gino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, ma ci sei tuo gino d'amor. Fra guerrieri può far bacco, quando stacchi stretto sacco, schioppo in spalla, sciabla a fianco, collo dritto, uso franco.
Pizza is really good.
So cool. Okay, so we got the pizza over there, Regina. Now we're here at Sama Sama Reggae Bar. So we brought our own food in, but we're buying drinks, so it's alright, I think. Alright, I'm trying it. Hello. We're here with Harry. Harry, say something.
Something!
We're here in Gili.
Yes, Gili.
I can't believe we're here at the same time.
Yeah, I know. I didn't see you in Bangkok.
You've been stalking me?
Yeah, I'm trying to.
I'm stalking you.
Oh, my hair looks nice, doesn't it?
You do look like totally like your surfer dude.
Just because I got sunburned yesterday.
I got majorly sunburned too.
It's 150,000 for the horse ride.
How much?
150.
They're so good. So good. I love that Italian man at Regina. Thank you. Price is 88,000 rupiah. Not bad. It's like $6. What's up?
We getting faded when the sun up just to ease into the day. Sipping Dom Perignon with Perrier. The whole damn day go to
Sama Sama Bar had some of the most incredible music. I was shocked.
I'm shocked.
Really though, they had like, wow, that was top quality. They even did Marvin Gaye, and he just nailed it in there. Nailed it.
He was singing on a professional level.
Yeah, it's really good. Sama Sama Bar, that's the place to go in Gili Trawangan. Here I am getting another Panther. Panther's good.
Yeah, Panther's stout.
Is it the only Indonesia stout?
No, that's not the only one. But we don't have it right now.
This one's good.
That's another, so.
I like this one. It's the... We don't have Guinness, but we got Panther. Who needs a Guinness when we got Panther? Right?
That's the good stout. Yeah, Panther stout. Yeah, it's from Bali High.
Nice.
Bali High Company.
Bali High Company. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so when you're drinking here at Gili, just go over to the basically the pier, and you'll always find your transportation, aka your horse. So your horses are all here. All night, after you're done partying, they'll take you anywhere you need to go.
If I go get drowned, I'ma go in a hearse. If I don't get found, I'ma go in reverse. I could've sold this out while I was throwing the birds. So don't throw no shade when I park the Gotti. See 3 white girls trying to spark the Bobby. I be rusting in the paint, boy, it's hard to stop me. Are you a remix or a carbon copy? Like T-Town and we partying hard now. We used to use fakes, but we buy in the bar now. 2020, I'll be up and flying the car down. My eyes roll back, what you trying to start now?
Riding round the town tonight. We feeling good, we feeling right. Do we chase the thrill, live the life? Do we stay out till the sun don't shine?
Man, this shit ain't working out, but I'm keeping my chin up. But jogger never fall, I don't even fall in love. No, I ain't complaining, that's when everyone give up. The only shot I ever see you making is bitch cup. Oh, damn, who's that dude? Everybody told me trying to do this was a bad move. I've been learning more than I would ever in a classroom. Miracle in nature, all my dogs eating cat food. Holidays, they don't feel like holidays. And I got a little money, but I got a lot of plays. I don't need to ride a wheel, I got a will to dominate. Put it on my...
So that club seemed to be called Jungle. It was alright, it was good. It was actually the busiest club here. It was no live music. Drink prices are really good. 30,000 rupiah for a bintang. and 40 and 50,000 like that. This is totally fun, and this is a Monday night. So this place seems to be called Marine Dive. There's no other name for me to see here other than that. It's busy, and the DJ's good. And it's like, it's after midnight already. Monday night, it's rocking.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel, I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone. I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock, nobody